You wanna be a chef? Come to think of it, yeah, kitchen is fun. Working in a kitchen is fun. No, sobrang saya sa kusina. Marami kang matutunan. But don't be surprised. Being a chef is not a fancy work. It's not an easy job. You have to work hard, late hours, almost no sleep, a few hours of sleep, no holiday. You cannot able to come in any special holidays, family, birthdays, or anything. But, kitchens is nice. You have to love it. Kasi kung hindi ka tatagal. Napakahirap pag hindi mo siya may enjoy. At the same time, it's not a fancy job. But at the end of the day, like any other job, if you love it, you will stay it. Yun lang. Adios, pabalos, amigos. Yes, chef!